Now that I've saved preset settings, this is a kind of alternative technique that I'll just have a quick look at here. So I made some adjustments. I saved off those adjustments as a preset so they can be reapplied. I'm just going to go ahead and in the develop settings, reset to camera raw defaults, and that will undo those changes that I made. Too easy. What I'll do now is I'm just going to go ahead and open a camera, or not camera raw. Oh yeah, I can do it this way. Open a camera raw, and if I choose open image, I've got some options here. Option clicking will open as a copy. Shift clicking will open as a smart object. So I could do that. I'm going to shift click, open as a smart object. The process settings have been removed. Hopefully this isn't super confusing for people, but I took them off so that I can demonstrate, bringing back the camera raw filter as a non-destructive thing, and then I should be able to just go ahead and reload my settings. I just need to find them. Where did I put them? It'll be an XMP. There it is. There's my presets. Boom, and that's all of those things there that I added the first time around. I can sort of make any adjustments I want, and so on and so forth. From there, and it's all good. Okay, and as usual, that gets saved as a smart filter. Too easy.